So you're curious about Google AI Studio? Great. Think of it as a free, easy way to get your hands on some of Google's powerful AI tools. Seriously, anyone can jump in. You can whip up cool AI images and videos, build chatbots, get quick summaries of long YouTube videos, or even write code to build your own little apps and widgets. And the best part? You mostly just need to click a few times. First things first, head over to the Google AI Studio homepage at aistudio.google.com. When you first log in, you might see a pop-up with Google's terms of service and privacy stuff. Accept it. Mine is giving options to AI Studio or getting API. Let's close this window. Now you're looking at the main dashboard, your starting point for all the AI tools powered by Google's Gemini models. Over in the Chat tab, you can just chat with the AI using plain English. The Stream tab is neat. You can actually talk to the AI or share your screen so it can see what you're working on. Want to create stuff? Hit the Generate Media tab to make images, videos, or even speech with AI. And if you're feeling a bit more technical, the Build tab lets you write code just by describing what you want, and you can launch your app instantly using Cloud Run. Pretty handy, right? Let's give it a test drive. For this small introductory tutorial, I will explore only the Chat tab or feature. Here, you can have a conversation with the AI. You can even ask it to give responses in a specific style or format. Up top, you've got a toolbar with options like adding system instructions, grabbing the code, sharing your prompt, or saving it. On the right side, you'll find your run settings. Click that drop-down to pick which Gemini model you want to use. I usually pick the latest one, Gemini 2.5 Pro. Your option does change with the model you select. Right below that, you'll see your token count. It's free to use, but there is a token limit, which is 1 million tokens context window for one request. You can make 5 requests per minute and 25 in 24 hours, so be aware of that. There's also this temperature slider. It basically controls how creative or unpredictable the AI's responses are. Slide it lower for more straightforward, serious answers, or crank it up if you want something a bit wilder. Alright, time for a real example. Say, I want an intro video script for my YouTube channel of small beginner-friendly how-to tutorials for various software. My channel name is How to Guide Tech. I can also name the prompt. For system instruction, I write, keep it friendly and casual, but credible. On the right, it shows me how many tokens it will use. Once my prompt looks good, I click Run. The AI churns through it and gives me back the 3 options for the script, plus some extra tips. I'll go with option 3. If you want AI to change something, ask AI Studio again. Like, I want it in simple paragraphs only for my voiceover artist, and my channel is faceless. For better results, you can add assets like images, videos, and PDFs. One pro tip, use your Google Drive for uploading files. Now I can just copy that AI-written script and use it for my video. When you're finished and want a clean slate, just click the clear chat icon up at the top to reset everything. It looks like just another LLM like ChatGPT, but believe me, models are very powerful and you can do way more things with Google AI Studio, which I will cover in future videos. But for now, that's enough for basic use. Hope this walkthrough helps you get started with Google AI Studio. If it did, feel free to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and maybe drop a like in the comments. I always appreciate knowing what helped. Catch you next time.